Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of a different kind of thing planned for you guys today, but I really hope you like it. If you're new here, welcome, and my name is Laura. I live in Japan, and as many of you know, I've been living together with my boyfriend for quite a while now, almost 2 years. I live together with my boyfriend and his family, so that means his younger brother, his mom and his dad, so we're 5 people living here, and we live in the city center of Osaka, you could say. So houses are smaller than on the countryside naturally, and also a little bit smaller than what I'm used to back in Japan, in Belgium. But still, I think we have a really nice house and good location. If you've seen the title, probably you already know what this will be about. I'm going to do a bedroom makeover. So as you can see, I'm now in my bedroom. My boyfriend's mom and dad have been gracious enough, have been kind enough to give me and my boyfriend the master bedroom. They are sleeping now downstairs in the spare bedroom. They've been sleeping there for a long time. I don't know why they actually decided to move out of this room. Maybe they just like being downstairs more, I don't know. Because although this is the master bedroom, it's also the room that gets the hottest in summer. Because we're right underneath the attic. That's really okay. I'm super grateful they gave us the master bedroom so Dean and I could sleep in the same room. But now we have a little bit of a problem. Recently, or not that recently actually, already quite a while back, our bed broke. I'll show you a room tour just now a little bit later, but the bottom, like the base of the base of the bed, yes, is like flat. It's some kind of wood, and the wood broke because it's already an old bed. It's like it's been here for 14 years or something, I think, since they moved to this place. And also the mattresses that were on it are Bonnell coil mattresses, really hard ones, since my mom and dad, of my boyfriend's mom and dad, prefer to have hard mattresses. I personally have a bad back. I have a lot of back pain, usually upper back pain. But one thing we have noticed is that the mattresses we've been sleeping on are definitely a problem. They're too hard, especially for me. I get like back pain. Even if I like to lie on the side of my like I like to sleep sideways, or sometimes on my tummy even, because that feels like my back is relieved. Or I also sleep on my back. It's like I turn around all night long, you could say. Oh, so much noise in the background, really sorry. But yeah, so what I was trying to say is the mattresses are really hard. I can't lie on my side, on the side of my cheek, because it will literally start hurting. So that's just a little bit of an indication how hard the mattress really is. And a few days ago I saw the label on the mattress itself, since we were changing the bedding, and it was like extra hard written on there. Yeah, so not for me, definitely not. My boyfriend is still okay. He's kind of used to sleeping on this kind of hard mattress, but ever since I was born I've been sleeping on a normal softness kind of mattress in Belgium, so I'm not really used to it, you could say. So that's why we're going to do a little bit of a bedroom makeover in this little series, and I hope you guys will really like it. And yeah, today we're going to have episode 1, so the problem with our bedroom, and the game plan, you could say, and then a bedroom tour of the before, because I like this room. It's a good room, but there are a few things I want to change to make it even better, because I feel if I can change my bedroom a little bit to what I personally really like, that will make me feel so much more comfortable and at ease and relaxed. Because for me personally, if I'm in a room that's messy or not organized, or just with colors I don't like, or I don't know, just uncomfortable feeling, then I don't like being there. And that's the case now. Even though the bedroom is fine the way it is, actually, there's nothing bad about it. It's just not my personal style or taste. And of course I can't change anything about the floor or the building closets or anything, but I can change the decoration and other little furniture to make it feel more like me, like a space where I want to be. Because now I spend virtually no time here. I only come here to sleep and that's it. So yeah, without further ado, if you're still here after this really long explanation, let me show you the before. Okay, so now we just came up the staircase to the 3rd floor. So we're right in front of the door here now, and there's like a hallway with 2 other rooms here. That's Sheen's room and this is Lean's old room. So yeah, if you open the room, it's like a sliding door to save space. Slides really easily. And you come inside here. As you can see, it's not too small. It's actually a really good, decent sized room. And this is the way it looks right now. So we have our big window here, a smaller window here, and then the bed. And I'll put the light on. We have 3 light switches here. The middle one is for the attic, and this is for the light. If you push one time, the light will turn on, and we can change the light as well. Like you can put it off, on again, then the light will be less strong. And we have also one third option. It's like only these lights. But I want normal light, so I push this one, and then we have our light. So this is how it looks with the light on. This carpet is something I bought also to make the room feel a little bit more homey, you could say. Then we have this big mirror right here that is usually covered because they have some kind of superstition, but I like to leave it uncovered because I like it like this. Feels nice. We have 2 big closets here. One is filled with bedding for everyone, so it's up to the floor, to the ceiling. And here we have one big closet. I share this built-in closet with my mom. You could say my boyfriend's mom. So this side is completely hers and this side is mine. And these are also some kind of special sliding doors. Yeah, so we have the closets, and then we have me. And yeah, here is the bed, the main problem at the moment, which takes up most of the room. These are 2 single beds, or 2 1 meter wide beds, so a little bit more than single. And they've been shoved together to form one big bed, 2 meters long, 2 meters wide. And that's why it takes up so much space in the room. Then the second point of problem point with this bed is that he has a normal mattress at the moment, a normal hard mattress. Really hard. A Bonnell coil, which is hard to sleep on, not that good. And then my mattress, since I really can't sleep on this mattress, it's just, I literally can't sleep. That's how much my back hurts from that mattress. I sleep on another type of thin mattress. You can see that there's a height difference between the 2 mattresses, and I really hate that height difference because we can't cuddle it. Like underneath this bed, you can see it's like this. And you can't really see where the hole itself is, but here, where is it? A little bit more here. Anyways, there's some cracks in there, which make it make it feel like you're sleeping like this really much. It's not good at all. And the game plan, don't worry about that. That's just some cleaning stuff. We're doing a spring cleaning, you could say. The game plan is to put the new bed not in this way, but right there. So the headboard against the wall facing here. And I might put a little table there and then some decoration and hang something on the wall. And I'm not sure about this one yet. Like my clothes are mostly inside here. Yeah, so probably we'll leave this here. These are my electronics, cables, headphone stuff, some decoration. This bucket has my hats, my scarves, like little scarves and belts usually, some papers and my jewelry, books and some perfume. I will probably buy something else than this. This is also from my mom. She used to use it, so not my style again. Thankful for it, but not my style, of course. Wow, there's so much noise today. And then the biggest thing that I want to change in the room, apart from the bed, which is obviously a really big change and an expensive one, are these curtains. I really dislike these curtains. It feels like we're in a grandma's home because these curtains, and especially the inner ones. These, I don't like it at all. It's so old-fashioned. I want to change it to either some really beautiful white plain curtains and then some other over curtains. If we can't immediately change both, then I'll definitely change these first. And yeah, I'm not going to show you the veranda we have here just for privacy reasons, for safety reasons. So that's our bedroom, you could say. I have my big suitcase here full of winter clothes, because my winter clothes are either in here or in another little box closet underneath there or in the attic up here. So it's hard to put all of my stuff away and have my flute there because I play the flute, and Monopoly because I like Monopoly. Yeah, so that's our room, our situation, like how we're sleeping now. We have some other stuff here. We have a music box, my favorite mist from the Rituals. If you know the Rituals, this is great stuff. It won't focus, I guess. Yes, here it is. The Ritual of Chador. It smells amazing. It's body and hair mist, but also can be put in the room. And we have my little mistifier there, my bedside lamp, and some other stuff from my mom. And the phone, which I never use because I don't like to call. Yeah, so that's my bedroom, you could say. And apart from the furniture, I am planning to change also the decoration quite a lot, make it feel more like a home rather than a room. So I hope you are really looking forward to the process and the end result. So if you like this episode 1 bedroom tour, game plan and the problems, then please leave me a big thumbs up and write me a comment down below if you've ever done a bedroom makeover yourself. This is the first one I actually get to do by myself. Before, my mom from Belgium would do like my bedroom decoration as a child, and even as a teenager didn't really have much options to change it up a lot. So I'm very, very excited to change it for the first time ever by myself, and can't wait to get started, you could say. We are looking at bed frames now. We've already decided on the... Oh, I have to be quiet about that one. That's for next episode, I guess. So yeah, like I said, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and kindly consider subscribing because that would really help my channel out a lot. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.